Hi, in this video we will be talking about mental health and finances. Watch this video to the end to learn the intricate relationship between mental health and finances. Welcome back to the International CEO. In recent years, there has been a gradual but significant shift in societal attitudes towards mental health. Conversations that were once shrouded in stigma and silence are now being brought into the spotlight, fostering understanding and empathy. However, one area that remains largely unexplored is the intersection between mental health and finances. Despite its importance, discussing the impact of mental health on financial well-being, and vice versa, continues to be a taboo subject. It's time to break this taboo and explore the intricate relationship between mental health and finances. Mental health and finances are deeply interconnected, each influencing the other in complex ways. The state of one's mental health can significantly affect financial decision-making and management, while financial stress can take a toll on mental well-being. Understanding this relationship is crucial for individuals, families, and society as a whole, as it can have far-reaching implications on personal and economic stability. One of the most evident ways in which mental health impacts finances is through decision-making. Mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder can impair cognitive function, leading to difficulties in making sound financial choices. Individuals may struggle with basic tasks like budgeting, planning for the future, and managing debt. Moreover, the impulsivity and risk-taking behavior often associated with certain mental health conditions can lead to reckless spending or investment decisions, further exacerbating financial instability. Conversely, financial stress can take a significant toll on mental health. The burden of debt, job insecurity, or inadequate savings can lead to chronic stress, anxiety, and depression. The constant worry about money can interfere with daily functioning, strain relationships, and contribute to a cycle of poor mental health. Studies have shown a clear link between financial difficulties and increased risk of mental health disorders, highlighting the importance of addressing financial well-being as part of mental health care. Unfortunately, the taboo surrounding discussions about money and mental health often prevents individuals from seeking help or support. Many people feel ashamed or embarrassed to admit financial struggles, fearing judgment or social stigma. Similarly, discussing mental health issues in the context of finances can be met with discomfort or avoidance, further perpetuating the cycle of silence. This silence only serves to deepen the isolation and exacerbate the problem. Breaking the taboo requires a concerted effort from various stakeholders, including individuals, families, employers, policymakers, and mental health professionals. At the individual level, it's essential to recognize the importance of seeking help for both mental health and financial issues without shame or judgment. This may involve reaching out to a therapist or financial advisor for support, as well as engaging in open and honest conversations with loved ones about struggles and challenges. Employers also play a crucial role in breaking the taboo by creating supportive work environments that prioritize employee well-being. This includes offering mental health resources and financial wellness programs as part of employee benefits packages, as well as fostering a culture of openness and acceptance around these issues. By destigmatizing discussions about mental health and finances in the workplace, employers can help employees feel more comfortable seeking help and support when needed. Policymakers have a responsibility to address systemic issues that contribute to financial stress and mental health disparities. This may involve implementing policies that promote economic stability, such as raising the minimum wage, expanding access to affordable housing, and improving mental health care services. Additionally, integrating financial literacy education and mental health awareness programs into school curricula can help empower future generations to navigate these issues more effectively. Furthermore, mental health professionals must recognize the importance of addressing financial concerns as part of holistic treatment. Incorporating financial counseling and education into mental health services can help individuals develop practical skills for managing money and reducing financial stress. Similarly, financial advisors should be trained to recognize the signs of mental health issues in their clients and provide appropriate referrals or support. Breaking the taboo around mental health and finances requires a cultural shift towards greater openness, empathy, and support. It involves challenging outdated attitudes and beliefs about money and mental health, and creating spaces where individuals feel safe to seek help and support without fear of judgment. By fostering dialogue and understanding, we can empower individuals to take control of their financial and mental well-being, ultimately leading to healthier, more resilient communities. Continuing the discussion on the intersection of mental health and finances, it's essential to delve deeper into specific challenges individuals face and explore potential solutions to address these issues. From managing debt to coping with financial stress, there are myriad ways in which mental health and finances intertwine, underscoring the need for comprehensive support systems and resources. One of the most prevalent issues individuals encounter is debt and its impact on mental health. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or mortgages, the burden of debt can weigh heavily on one's mental well-being. The constant worry about making payments, coupled with feelings of shame or inadequacy, can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and depression. Moreover, the cycle of debt can feel insurmountable, further exacerbating feelings of hopelessness and despair. Addressing debt-related mental health challenges requires a multifaceted approach that combines financial education, counseling, and support services. For individuals struggling with debt, seeking help from a financial advisor or credit counselor can provide valuable guidance on developing a repayment plan and managing financial obligations. Additionally, mental health professionals can offer support in coping with the emotional toll of debt, helping individuals navigate feelings of guilt, shame, and anxiety. Furthermore, policymakers can play a role in alleviating debt-related stress by implementing policies that protect consumers from predatory lending practices and provide resources for debt relief. This may include regulations on interest rates, loan forgiveness programs, and funding for financial literacy initiatives. By addressing the root causes of debt and providing avenues for support, policymakers can help mitigate the negative impact on mental health. Another significant challenge individuals face is the impact of financial instability on mental well-being. Whether it's job loss, unexpected expenses, or economic downturns, financial instability can lead to feelings of uncertainty, fear, and insecurity. The inability to meet basic needs or plan for the future can erode one's sense of self-worth and contribute to chronic stress and anxiety. To address financial instability and its impact on mental health, it's crucial to build resilience and empower individuals to navigate economic challenges effectively. This may involve providing access to resources such as unemployment benefits, emergency savings accounts, and affordable healthcare services. Additionally, fostering a culture of financial literacy and empowerment can help individuals develop the skills and knowledge needed to weather financial storms and plan for the future. Employers also play a critical role in supporting employees during times of financial instability. Offering benefits such as flexible work arrangements, financial wellness programs, and employee assistance programs can provide valuable support to employees facing economic hardship. Moreover, creating a supportive work culture that values open communication and empathy can help reduce stigma and encourage employees to seek help when needed. Furthermore, addressing mental health issues in the context of finances requires a nuanced understanding of the unique challenges faced by different populations. Marginalized communities, including people of color, LGBTQ+ individuals, and individuals with disabilities, often face disproportionate barriers to financial stability and mental health care. Systemic inequalities, including wage disparities, housing discrimination, and lack of access to healthcare, can exacerbate existing mental health disparities and perpetuate cycles of poverty and trauma. To address these disparities, it's essential to adopt an intersectional approach that acknowledges the complex interplay of factors contributing to financial and mental health outcomes. This may involve implementing policies that address structural inequalities, such as increasing minimum wage, expanding access to affordable housing, and combating discrimination in the workplace and healthcare system. Additionally, providing culturally competent mental health services that are accessible and inclusive can help bridge the gap in care for marginalized communities. Moreover, community-based initiatives and grassroots organizations play a crucial role in providing support and resources to underserved populations. By fostering networks of support and advocacy, these organizations can empower individuals to access the care and resources they need to thrive. Additionally, creating safe spaces for dialogue and mutual aid can help reduce stigma and isolation, fostering a sense of belonging and community resilience. In conclusion, breaking the taboo around mental health and finances requires a comprehensive and collaborative effort from individuals, employers, policymakers, and community leaders. By fostering open and honest conversations, providing access to resources and support services, and addressing systemic inequalities, we can create a society where mental health and financial well-being are valued and prioritized. Together, we can break the silence, challenge stigma, and build a more equitable and compassionate future for all. As we strive to break the taboo surrounding mental health and finances, it's essential to recognize the role of education in empowering individuals to navigate these complex issues effectively. Financial literacy and mental health awareness are foundational pillars that equip individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to make informed decisions and seek support when needed. From budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning, financial literacy education covers a wide range of topics that are essential for navigating today's complex financial landscape. Moreover, integrating mental health awareness into financial literacy programs can help individuals recognize the impact of mental health on financial decision-making and vice versa. By destigmatizing discussions about mental health and providing resources for support, these programs can help individuals develop the resilience and coping skills needed to navigate financial challenges effectively. Furthermore, schools play a crucial role in promoting financial literacy and mental health awareness from a young age. By incorporating these topics into the curriculum, educators can equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to make sound financial decisions and prioritize their mental well-being. This may involve integrating financial literacy lessons into math and social studies classes, as well as providing resources for mental health education and support. Additionally, parents and caregivers play a vital role in shaping children's attitudes and behaviors towards money and mental health. By modeling healthy financial habits and open communication about mental health, parents can instill values of financial responsibility and emotional well-being in their children from a young age. Moreover, fostering a supportive and understanding environment at home can help children feel comfortable seeking help and support when needed. Breaking the taboo around mental health and finances requires a holistic approach that addresses both individual and systemic barriers to support. By promoting financial literacy education, integrating mental health awareness into curricula, and fostering supportive environments at home and in the community, we can empower individuals to take control of their financial and mental well-being. Together, we can break the silence, challenge stigma, and build a more inclusive and equitable society where everyone has the resources and support they need to thrive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.